Welcome everybody to Bullseye Options. Today is December 10th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. What I'm going to show you today is a trade that I just closed out in Expedia Group for 25%. And it turned out to be a nice little winner. But the reality of it was this was not as easy as it looks. I entered this trade on this session right here, November 7th, when the stock was getting crushed. And believe it or not, the stock went against me a ton. And then it started to come back. Now, I was able to isolate this in Bullseye Trading, the low, so we made a good amount of money there on the upside. But the truth of the matter was I had the call option here and was out of the money for quite a while and quite a bit out of the money. But this is why it's so important for traders to not trade the near-term expiration. Now, we're in the month of December, and what I did was I traded the January call option. So I gave myself some time on the clock, and I knew the stock was going to snap back at some point, but did I have enough time to make money? I used the January 17, 2020 call option, but was that going to be enough time for this thing to recover? And by giving myself basically 2 months out, I was able to recuperate that loss and actually turn this into a 25% winning trade. So what the lesson here today is, do not trade the near-term expiration. I can't tell you how often I'll see traders right now go out and they'll actually trade for next Friday's options expiration. So they'll take some call options and that will expire on December 20th. And I'll say, hey, you're not giving yourself enough time, especially the week leading into options expiration, even a few days the week before. You'll get a lot of game playing there. So this is a stock, in my opinion, next week could be vulnerable to a pullback as it goes into the 115 resistance zone. So again, I did take that money off the table today. But the fortunate thing for me was that I gave myself enough time on the clock for this stock to move into my favor. And again, I was able to basically make 25% in the equity when I was down on the trade, 80% earlier in the month. So even you can make a case later in November. So again, this worked out nicely, and that's what you want to do as an options trader. Don't take those near-term expirations. Give yourself a little bit of time. That's ultimately what is going to help you in those trades. If you want to take a look at the track record here, Bullseye Options have really been exceptional. You can see all these winners here since it started. I think we only posted 2 losers here, and you can see them. Snapchat and ASHR were the 2 losers. But look at all the winners that are posted. And again, we got several more trades. I think 3 more right now. Actually, yeah, 3 more. Almost 4 that are in the money and could be coming to fruition. So again, just wanted to share that lesson with everybody. With that being said, I'm going to wrap it up here. I want to wish you all a wonderful trading day. Check out Bullseye Options. We'll see you on the charts.